Hi guys, welcome back to Kim's class. Today's lesson is the fourth lesson in a unit about health. We're going to go ahead and look at today's objectives. Today's objectives say, I can read a paragraph and answer questions about a family's visit to a clinic. The second objective says, I recognize and understand basic family vocabulary. Let's go ahead and look at the paragraph for today. On your screen, you're going to see a paragraph and 6 questions. I'm going to read the paragraph to you, and I'd like you to follow along. Then you will answer either yes or no to each of the 6 questions. Let's go ahead and listen as I read this paragraph to you. Poor Jose. Everyone in his family is sick. Jose and his children are at the health clinic today. His daughter Sylvia has a sore throat. His son Emilio has a stomach ache. His wife Virginia has an earache. Jose doesn't have a sore throat. He doesn't have a stomachache. And he doesn't have an earache. But Jose has a very bad headache. Now I want you to look at the 6 questions. Go ahead and answer yes or no to each question. Pause the video to answer the questions. When you're finished, you can hit play and I will give you the correct answers. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the answers. Number 1, Jose and his family are at school. The answer is no. They're at the clinic. Number 2, Sylvia has a backache. Answer, no. Sylvia has a sore throat. Number 3, Emilio has a headache. Answer, no. Emilio has a stomachache. Number 4, his wife has an earache. Answer, yes. Number 5, Jose has a headache. Answer, yes. Number 6, everyone is happy. Answer, no. So that was some practice reading and answering questions. You might also want to pause the video and read the paragraph yourself. Then you're practicing some of your pronunciation. Let's go ahead though and look at today's objectives and see how we did. Can you read a paragraph and answer questions about a family's visit to a clinic? I think you can. Do you recognize and understand basic family vocabulary? We've had some practice with that too. So that concludes today's lesson. But before you go, I'd like you to do 4 things for me. Is that all right? The first thing I'd like you to do is press the like button on this video. The second thing I would like you to do is share it. If you have friends or family that would like these videos, you can share it with them. The next thing I'd like you to do is to write a comment in the comment section below. And one more thing. If you are enjoying these videos, please hit subscribe. Then every time I post a new video, you will know. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for joining me in Kim's class. And thank you for letting me come on this journey with you to learn English. Goodbye for now. I'll see you soon.